to my kitchen. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make a very tasty compound butter. It's so easy to make, but incredibly delicious. Stay tuned, I'm gonna show you how to make it.
Let's begin with adding capers along with chives, garlic and basil into the food processor and blend them fine. At the next step, zest the lemon and add it into the mixture and season it with black pepper and salt. Add a few cubes of butter at a time and blend them together. It looks perfect. Now I'm gonna show you how to roll it using a plastic wrap. First of all, try to use a silicone mat or an oven tray as your working surface and place your plastic wrap on top of it. What we're looking for here is that the plastic wrap stick to your work surface and make it easier to roll. Take half of the butter mixture and place it on the plastic wrap. Roll it over, pull it back and then push it forward. This way your butter comes to the cylinder shape little by little. It takes a few minutes. Simply tie the knot on each side and do the same with the other half of the mixture. Put them in the freezer for about half an hour.
Smells so good. I have to try it now. Oh. It's so good, guys. It's so savory. It just bursting with flavors. It was amazing on a bread. You can also spread it on top of the hot steak. Just give it a try at home and let me know if you like it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.